In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the WordPress admin redirect loop. This issue can be frustrating because it prevents you from accessing your WordPress dashboard. But the good news is that it's usually easy to fix. One of the most common causes of an admin redirect loop is caching. Sometimes your browser, a caching plugin, or your hosting server stores an outdated version of your site that keeps redirecting you back to the login page. Clearing the cache often resolves the problem instantly. If you can still access your WordPress dashboard, start by opening your caching plugin settings. Whether you're using W3 Rocket, W3 Total Cache, W3 Super Cache, or a similar plugin, look for an option that says Clear Cache or Purged Cache. Click that option to remove all stored cached files. After clearing the cache, log out of WordPress and try logging back into the admin area. In many cases, this alone fixes the redirect loop and restores access to your dashboard. If you are using server-side caching provided by your hosting company, you may need to clear the cache from your hosting control panel. Many hosts include a cache management option where you can purge the server cache with one click. If you are unsure where to find it, contacting your hosting provider's support team is the quickest solution. Caching is designed to speed up your site, but outdated cached files can sometimes conflict with recent changes or updates. Clearing the cache forces WordPress to load a fresh and accurate version of your site. Once the cache is cleared, the redirect loop should be resolved, allowing you to access your WordPress admin panel normally again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back into your dashboard quickly.